In the criminal justice system,
CPAP review videos.
Considered especially heinous.
In Melbourne City.
The dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as
the ResMed Legal Unit.
These are their stories.
Here we go. Another busy day. Oh, there we go. Mr. Daddy, you are being charged by ResMed with making boring CPAP videos on YouTube. How do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honour.
Order, order. Let's bring in the jury. Mr. Zachary, were you able to reach a verdict?
Yes, Your Honour. We find Mr. Day guilty. Off with his beard. It's going white. He's getting old. He looks like a grandpa. And get a haircut too. Have you done a poo? Are you stink?
Order, order, order. Mr. Daddy, after being found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm going to sentence you to get a haircut and have a shave. Case closed.
A little light-hearted humour there for you. I still maintain my innocence. But nah, they're great kids. I'm blessed to have them. But wow, what a week, eh? Firstly, just massive thanks to all you guys for the support. It's really heartwarming, and I definitely do the same for you, so thank you very much. But I'll just run you through it. So Friday, another outbreak in Melbourne, back inside for 7 days, but looks like it's going to be 14 days, which is just hell. I mean, you know, we've got the kids, they're homeschooling, we've got the little baby, he doesn't sleep, so we're all just grumpy. Sarah's massively flat. And on top of that, we're just layering on like all the stress that ResMed's just putting on me as well with, you know, the cease and desist email. And I'll run you through basically what's happened. So yeah, I'll just get this email, cease and desist. Man, you want to come and say hello, buddy? Oh, buddy, just wants to come. You can come sit down with me if you like for a quick, I'll finish up the video in a sec. So I did have a feeling this was on the cards. And basically the email read that they'd noticed some YouTube content. The main videos at the time were, you might remember that video that I did telling people that why you shouldn't buy a DreamStation 1 or an AirSense 10. Probably not the best title in the world, mind you, but the idea was that I knew there was going to be a new machine released, the AirSense 11, and so I just wanted to give people that information. That's all I wanted to do, is just say, hey, heads up, AirSense 11 coming. If you are in the market for a new machine, something to consider. ResMed took that as I'm potentially a health hazard because I am telling people to delay getting treatment. They also claimed that I was using copyright images in the videos as well, and that was aimed at the AirSense 11 release that I did. So they were the two videos. They didn't actually say take them down. They were basically saying, if this behavior continues, watch out, we're coming after you. And I didn't really like that too much, because it was basically saying, Nick, watch what you say, all right? We're on to you. And I don't really want to be censored, to be honest. I like being able to say what I think and talk about what I want to talk about without having to think, oh, are the guys at ResMed watching me? You know, I better not say anything nasty about them, or I better not tell any of you guys about a new machine that I find on, you know, a forum or something like that. So I just wrote back and said, right, quite politely, I don't think it's a great business decision going after me or the channel. But I'm more than happy to have a friendly conversation with you. Here's my mobile number. Give us a call and we can chat. And they just replied, thank you. We've received your email. Good luck with lockdown. Take care. Nice, friendly email. I thought, okay, well, maybe I'll get a phone call. But then that's when I opened up the computer, and sure enough, YouTube's blinking these big red things at me. Copyright strike, strike 2, one more strike and you're out. And I'm just like, what is going on? You know, so basically ResMed's just made the call, nah, stuff it. We're just going to go and hammer at the channel. And basically what they're doing is they're just going through all the content, and they're finding anywhere where I've used perhaps like one of their, you know, images of a machine perhaps. Like I don't have the AirSense 11 just yet. So what do? I go on Google, find an image, and I show you what the image is. I mean, how else am I supposed to show you what it looks like without getting the image and showing it to you? So I don't really know the way around it, but that's what they're doing. So that's where we're at the moment. If you want to help out, I've put together a little contingency plan. So what we can do is this. I know a lot of you don't like Facebook, fair enough. I've got an email newsletter. I'm not going to spam anyone, but if you want to put your email in there, if something does happen, I'll let you guys know where I am and what I'm doing. So I'll do that. This stuff will be in the link in the description. A few of you have been writing to ResMed in Sydney. Put their email as well in the description. If you feel the need or want to write an email about just how you're feeling, an honest email, I would love the support as well. So you can write them an email and just let you know that you're behind me and that you love the channel. I'm not going to do any GoFundMe stuff or anything like that. I'm not after your money. I know you guys pay enough for all your gear as it is, but I might just do like a change.org petition maybe. I might put something like that in there as well. So I know it's a lot to ask. I know you guys are busy, but if you've got something out of the channel and it's been of help to you, I spend a lot of time, about 20 hours a week of unpaid labor, but it's a labor of love. But yeah, if you've got the time, I would certainly appreciate the support because it might make the difference at the end of the day. It might just make them go, nah. In the meantime, guys, stay safe. My little man's getting a little bit impatient. He wants to play some video games. All right, but I just thought I'd give you a heads up. Don't do that, mate. What are you doing? Don't do that. I just thought I'd give you the heads up, and yeah, we'll see how we go. All right. Love you all very much. You're the best. See you soon. Bye.
Here he goes again. Always with the CPAP. What a snooze fest. Sometimes I just want to reach over and shove a great big sock right in his mouth. And why does he always have to do it right in front of the Nintendo? I mean, come on, Dad. Wrap it up. I've got Mario waiting. Shouldn't you be in jail?